Okay, so here is our second example for the day. Again, I am looking to do this by elimination, so I want the x's lined up, the y's lined up, the equal signs lined up, and the constants. I don't have that. So I have to move some things around. So I'm going to subtract x from both sides so I can get the x's on the same side as the y's. This is my second equation. So I get negative x plus 5y, and it now is equal to 10 because I moved this x to the other side. Just easier if they stack, so I'm just going to write this first equation down here so things stack nicely. And when I add these two equations together, then I have 3x because a negative 1x plus 4x is 3x. The whole point was to eliminate one of the variables. The y's drop out. And 10 plus 5 is 15. So when I do a little division, I can get my answer of x is equal to 5. Now, it doesn't matter which equation you go up into, just whatever one you think is easier. This one looks a little bit easier to me. I'm going to take out that x and I'm going to replace it with, right here I'm taking this and I'm going to replace it with a 5. So I get 5y still, and then I have a 5 plus 10. And here I get the answer of 3 for y. And I write my ordered pair x's first, then y. You know, always smart to see if it works. 4 times 5 is 20. 5 times 3 is 15. 20 minus 15 is 5. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 plus 10 is 15. So I know it works. Done. Easy peasy. All right, I'm thinking tomorrow we should maybe try to do a Google Meet again on Friday. See how everyone's doing. See your smiling faces. So I'll put up a link for that. Okay? Bye-bye.